Hi folks, we're back with our vernacular house and we decided to go with our kitchen in the back here, and that was our option 2. So here we've got our living and dining area combined, and so what I did, I created a furniture plan, and you basically just duplicate the view, and we all know how to do that. So here's my furniture plan. So I went out and got a few pieces, a TV, sofa, dining room area, and this is my kitchen. So if I want to look at this in my 3D view, let's have a look in this view right here. So there's my layout of my furniture and my 3D floor plan. So it's coming along pretty good, much better than what we had. So let's go back down to our level 1 here and level 1 furniture plan, and we can do a basic walkthrough here. So what I generally do is I'll take my camera here. I've done this before. If anybody wants to know, again, I have links, and I'll place a link in there to show you how to do this. So I'm going to just take a view from here. Then I want to open that view, and I'm in that view, and I want to just expand this out a little bit here and here. And then what I think is new here, I'm not sure, but I can actually do this in realistic view. So we'll find here. I'm going to make this realistic. And then I'll just grab my wheel and I'll have a look around first. So yeah, I left a little space behind the sofa for plants and things like that. And then we could just start our walk. So just go walk here. Let's just slowly push this guy on. You know how to do this. I don't know why this wheel's not showing up. Okay, there it is. A little different now, so we'll just carry it on. Oh, geez. Walk over here. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to just take this back now. Do a little look around here. And let's take it on around back. We want to see what our bathroom looked like. We remember what it was like before. Let's see what we did in here. Boy, I'm having trouble walking today. Sorry, folks. Let me make sure let me just pan up a bit here. Okay, and just walk through these doors. Okay, and this should be my bathroom in here. Yeah, that's my bathroom, and much better, I guess. Got a new sink in there, new windows, new tub. So I'm gonna walk out of here, just pull my way back out, and I'm gonna walk back to my kitchen. So what they do with these houses, they basically flip them. There was an old house, and they just sort of went in there and gutted everything out as you saw it in the prior videos. So if you just watching this video, you can come in and check it out from the beginning. It's very interesting how they did this, and I'm going to have a look in the kitchen. The kitchen is kind of small, but it has a purpose. It'll work for this because we didn't have a lot of space around here. There's our stove there. Let me just pull right back out here. Uh-oh. And we'll just head right back out to the front room area, the dining area. So this place turned out pretty good. Much better than what we dealt with before. Uh-oh. So now again, I can do some photo renderings here for this, which I did. And basically I took, I don't remember what view I took, but let's put this back in our level 1. I'm going to even make this view consistent colors here. And then I'll go back to my furniture plan, and I can do the same. I don't know how that's going to look. Okay. So that's going to basically change this here to carpet, and this is going to be wood. So now what I did to do the photo rendering, and basically it's just a matter of taking a shot, a photograph of this with the camera. You know how to do that, and then you get that view right there, as we shown before. And then the other view is this way, going in this direction. Now, I'm going to do the camera again just to show you the view that I rendered already. So I'm going to do camera, and this one, this was the view here. Okay, so now what happened is I rendered that view, and this is what we got here. So that one came out pretty nice. Nearly real, you know, I almost can't tell the difference, but this is not the highest quality render I could have got. Just that direction. That's what it was before. And this is the other way. So we've got our renderings done, and they're looking pretty good. And then we're going to go back into our floor plan model. My furniture plan here, and then we've got to go in here and create a elevation views and fix up our kitchen. It's looking pretty good. Let me give a look here. I'm going to see that realistic. So that kitchen is going to be pretty nice as well. Okay. So hey guys, if you didn't watch the beginning of this series, please do so, because this is a good series on vernacular houses. This is basically how they flip a house. They'll take an old raggedy house and they'll just gut it and redo it. This is an old house built in 1915, and then once you get done, you put together your construction documents, which is your plans, your elevations and sections and details and whatnot. But anyway, folks, again, here's our final of our living room. Turned out pretty good, and that's our living room. The other was our dining room. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this all the time. And everybody, please be safe, and God bless everybody. And please, thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this almost every day. Take care, y'all. Bye.